Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the Remid Cookie files into your mods folder. This is the only way to load that content. Once done, launch The Sims 4 briefly, enable script mods and custom content in game options, then exit. Make sure the files are not inside nested folders. The package and TS4 script must sit directly in mods or a single subfolder. If you skip enabling scripts now, the cookie features will not initialize when you continue. Next, extract the download and confirm you have both package and TS4 script present. Remid Cookie requires both file types to run. Then, move them into a dedicated mod subfolder so they're easy to manage. Start the game, wait for the custom content pop-up, and confirm the cookie appears in the list. If the script file is blocked by the launcher, close the game, recheck file names, and avoid using multiple versions of the same mod. Finally, enter the game and check CAS or live mode for the Remid Cookie items or interactions. Use the search and filters to find them quickly. If nothing appears, delete local thumb cache. Package, restart the game, and ensure script mods remains enabled. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily remove other script mods to isolate conflicts. If the cookie works after that, reintroduce mods one at a time to find the culprit. Once verified, you're set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.